Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can earn money using Uber Eats without driving or making any deliveries. And yes, while I'm specifically showing you how this works with Uber Eats, you can use it for pretty much any third-party ride sharing and delivering services like Instacart, Postmates, and a handful more. In fact, the more you promote, the more money you can make. So on today's video, I promise to show you how it works, but stick until the end because I'm going to show you a really sneaky way to do this that can amplify the amount of money you make. And then I'm going to teach you how to use that same concept and apply to other products to really make some serious money. And let me remind you, you won't need to drive a car, pay for gas, or take any orders. The method I'm going to show you was built by Uber themselves to help them grow their company and get the word out. So we're going to get into exactly how this works step by step. But first, if you're new here, I want to welcome you to this channel. Our goal is to provide you with the best content to make money on the internet, especially if you're a beginner. And whenever someone asks me what my favorite way is to make money online, I always tell them affiliate marketing. Why? Because with affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products, services, or courses. You're simply promoting someone else's programs and collecting a commission every time someone makes a sale. It's the best method I know to make money online, no matter what your level of experience is. So I created this channel where I can release new strategies and give them to you absolutely free. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you'll be the first to know whenever a new strategy is live. Okay, let's talk about why I chose Uber Eats for this strategy. And it's simply because with everything the way it is in the world, more people than ever are starting to rely on food delivery services instead of going out to eat. And not only are food delivery apps more popular than ever, this year has also caused so many people to look for additional ways to earn extra income. Actually, I just checked Google Trends and the phrase "start a side hustle" has gone higher in January of this year than it did last March when all this was just getting started. So the point is, right now, there are people who are looking for ways to get their favorite foods delivered to them. While on the other hand, there are people looking for ways to add extra income to their bank account. And you can make money putting those two people together. Here's how. The first step is you're going to create an account with Uber Eats. Now, like I said, you're not going to need to actually fulfill any orders for this, but you will need to sign up for their program. Once you do, you'll have the opportunity to get what's called a referral code. A referral code is a special link that they give you, and when you share that link with someone else, like a friend or family member, and they sign up to become a driver, you can get a referral bonus where Uber Eats will pay you cash for helping them grow their company. Now, when I last looked at their website, they said depending on the city and state, you can get anywhere from $100 to $1,100 for every single person you sign up once they finish their first ride. And full disclosure, these referral programs change quickly, so please, whenever you're watching this video, make sure you check the website and read all of their terms. But the point is, this is a way you can earn money online using one of the most popular delivery services right now without actually having to make any deliveries. Now, how are you going to get our referral links in front of people who will click and sign up? The best strategy I've seen work lately is to simply write a top 10 list on how to make some extra money. You've probably seen headlines like this before: top 10 ways to make money in your car, or best side hustles to start in 2022. Well, now you know how these articles make money. They're using referral codes. And when you mention Uber Eats, Simply insert your referral code, so whenever someone clicks on it, you'll receive a kickback from the company. Now, once you've finished the article, you can post it on free sites like Medium, Tumblr, Google Sites, and even Reddit. And if you want to go the extra mile, make a YouTube video, either sharing these methods yourself or using stock videos with just captions on them. This gives you a chance to really widen the net and get way more opportunities to get seen from the same piece of content. Now, if you really want to take this to the next level, don't just stop at UberEats. Remember that article you're writing that has 10 different ways to make money? Well, that's 9 more opportunities to find companies like UberEats with referral programs for you to make money. Now you're making money on all the opportunities you mentioned and not just one of them. So you don't need to create your own products to make money online. And like you're seeing on today's video, you barely need to make a website or learn any fancy marketing. You just need to find great quality products with referral or affiliate programs that will pay you to promote them. Now, let me be perfectly honest. Are you going to make $1 million promoting UberEats? Probably not. But if you're just getting started and you're committing yourself to only 100% free ways to make money online, then this is a great place to get started. And you're going to learn a ton by doing this on your own and earn at least $100 per day from getting just one sign up a day. But if you really want to invest in yourself and your business, and you want to take this whole make money online thing seriously, then you'll need to find more than just refer a friend programs. You need to find companies that are willing to partner with you and give you not only much higher payouts, but lifetime commissions, so you can continue to earn money every single month, rain or shine. If that's something that excites you, and you can honestly say you're ready to invest in yourself and in your business this year, then I want you to click the link in the description below, because I have something to show you. And no, it's not one of those free webinars or training that you've probably seen all over the place. It's an actual partnership where you're teaming up with already successful entrepreneurs and companies using their funnels, emails, and marketing as your own, and getting a commission on every purchase. They've done all the heavy lifting in building out their company. Your only job is to partner with them and get a cut of every sale. Check it out in the link in my description below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll know when I release my next training. Then hit the like button and leave me a comment. Thanks. See you again soon. Bye-bye.